We have our front door right here, and we come up and we look at our maximum roommate is $3,500 for this room. Crazy. So we have our corridor here, then we turn to the left. We have a good amount of space here, as you can see. And then we have these cool hooks right here for your jacket and whatnot. And then we have the bathroom. Pretty bright circular mirror, lights all around it. Let me see how big it is. We're gonna go back in though. We have the classic amenities here that you see at Hyatt Regencies. Pretty big shower. We have the knobs over here. And then we have the head, pretty big head, another one right there, same amenities. Then we're gonna come out. And then we have a corridor right here that has the coffee machine. And I think this is a cooler. They don't say it's a refrigerator, they say it's a cooler. It only goes between 45 degrees and 50. I feel like we need something that's under 41 degrees for proper food storage, but I digress. Then we have this open concept closet. We have room up there, but this does slide, full length mirror. And then we have this right here. And then we come into the main room. This is a big room, actually. It's a funky shaped room. We have a nice big bed here. We have two side tables, a little bit of accent lighting up there. San Francisco kind of funky art. We come back around, and then we have our table right here in front of the TV. Got a little bit of wooden panel right there. And then we have a little sitting area right there. We love to see this. We have a white noise machine right here. Love that. Change the sound, thunder, ocean, brook, rain, and just white noise. Feels like a suite. We have a lot of room right here, folks. A lot of room. So let's see if this is a pull-out couch. It does not look like it is. And it is not. It's just a regular old couch. Little light there. A big old window that leads to a balcony, folks. We have a balcony. Look at that. Got some chairs right there. Got some chairs right here. Kind of in the middle of the financial district. Other people's balconies are right there. Mine looks like it's a little bigger, but I don't know. Look at this place. It is quite odd. But yes, we have a balcony, folks. This is the room.